Behind me is the museum for Henorga Akakpo Akpalu, the popular composer of Akpalu songs, or what we Anglos call Akpalu hawo. Those days, it was the popular songs that were there. We did not have all these songs that we hear today. It was all Akpalu hawo for entertainment, every program. This is the museum, and the residents want it settled or converted in a nice way that will attract tourists. And it should be a tourist attraction according to the residents. It has been left here for so many years unattended to. And they are hoping that the Keta municipality or the Keta Municipal Assembly does something about it, because it can generate resources for the assembly. The assemblyman is here. This has been here for several years. This is the tomb. This is the museum. You are the assemblyman. Why have you left this place unattended to?
Yes, it's a nice thing to make this place a very good place where we'll have the records and everything. So the idea starting this place was very good, but going forward to continue, we have this problem of fund. Yeah, we need funding to do this place, secure the things. We have his songs, those printed and the recorded one. We'll put it there. You know, when they are singing, they use something called the rattle, and then the gong, and then the animal tail they call lashing. All those things that he has used before, we know they are preserved, they are there. So we want to preserve them here and make the place a tourist attraction. Now, but as I said, it's fun, first one. Then we have the land problems also. Now that one has been solved. Then we are now facing financial challenges to get a place set up properly for tourist attraction.
Now, you are a tourist promoter. You mentioned that Henorga Akakpo Akpalu was a great musician. You've been using the word for it. What's that?
Yeah, thank you very much, Ivy. We can compare Henorga Akakpo Akpalu to Beethoven and Mozart of Italy. These are classical music singers, and their names are indelibly written in the annals of history of these countries. So Jeremiah Akakpo Henorga, I call him the Beethoven of Africa, the Mozart of Africa. He has composed so many, songs, dirges, songs for occasions, various occasions that were the songs that every household used to be proud of in those days. But this is the remains of this great composer, musician of Ghana. Behind us is the museum being put up for him to preserve his songs in both music and in written form. But because of lack of fund, this place is becoming dilapidated. Our plea is a passionate one, that we cannot permit historians, people who play significant role in our history, in our music, in our culture, to just be obliterated, to just disappear from our system. So our plea is that individuals from Anyako, Kpota, Anyako, Konu, individuals from Keta municipality, and from even Southern Volta and the entire Volta should raise funds in order to put up this building. Look at the building. It's not a big thing where we can put his songs and items he used for tourists to come and visit. The songs will be playing in the background in the museum. People can listen to. There are books written about the Henorga that people can also buy here in the museum. So my plea is to the citizens of Anyako, to citizens of Southern Volta, citizens of Volta, And the entire municipality should also start raising funds to make this place a tourist attraction, where annually we can have 1,000, 2,000 people visiting this place, paying about 10 Ghana cedis, 20 Ghana cedis as entrance fee. This could generate enough fund for the municipal assembly. So our plea is that this place should be put together into something attractive for tourists.